mystical friends, humans, whatever you'd like to be called, you might be clicking on this video and going, whoa, your hair got really short and you look like a teen heartthrob from the 90s. The answer is yes. Yes, I do. I also look like a flapper, and my sister says I look like Edna from The Incredibles. I don't know who that is, but probably. So anyways, today, thank you for joining me under the willow tree. We are going to be making spicy almond butter noodles. I've had to make this recipe like 5 times in the past day because my camera just does not want to keep it recorded and keep it stored on file. So I've had to eat this quite a bit, and I haven't gotten sick of it yet. That's a good thing. It's really easy to make. It's delicious. You can adjust the spiciness level by adding more or less sriracha to it. You can also add some red pepper flakes if you're really wanting to pound in the heat. So if you want to know how to make this, please keep watching.
So getting out a small skillet or saucepan, you're going to add in some grated ginger and garlic and some water or oil, and then you're just going to saute that over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you're going to add in some almond butter. If you don't have this, you can also use peanut butter. Then some sriracha, molasses, some water, and then salt and cloves. Then you are just going to stir that until it becomes, all the almond butter like mixes together and it becomes a uniform sauce. Then you can just put this over rice or noodles with any veggies of your choice.
Thank you guys for joining me under the willow tree. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video with me.